Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the MMCndmgr library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before we walk through the MMCndmgr library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the MMCndmgr library, the MMC Node Manager. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of snap-in nodes within the Microsoft Management Console. It facilitates the data link between administrative tools and the MMC Visual Manifest. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Since Mmcndmgr library DLL belongs to the Windows System Core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mmcndmgr library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Mmcndmgr library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes MMCndmgr library guidance. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for MMCndmgr library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.